everyone! I was going to paint my nails tonight, and so I thought I might as well try and film it. I'm not sure if it'll work, so I'm not sure if this is going up. I'm going to try and film it, and I think I'm going to do a ladybird design, which I'm going to do with the colours I've got with me, because obviously I'm at university, so I don't have all of my nail varnish, which I would normally. But I'm going to just choose a few different colours and do different coloured ladybirds. But I think that if I was at home I probably would do them all pastel coloured, or even neon coloured would probably look quite cool, so we'll see how this goes. So I hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, I have now got my little ladybird nails on. And I might try and do that again actually with some more complicated designs, but there's quite a few different ones that I've already done that have gone quite well, so I might recreate some different ones so that other people can watch and do them themselves if they want to. So if you like the video, please press like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.